Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word early bird, its meaning, definition and the example. Early bird. The definition of early bird is a person who rises, arrives, or acts before the usual or expected time. The synonyms of early bird are early riser, early comer, first arrival, lark. Now let me show the example of early bird word in sentences are: it's the early bird watcher that catches the best bird song. If the early bird gets the worm, Susan Middlebrook should be well fed. This is field mouse. Sorry about that, early bird. The kettle was just boiling. This may sound like a no-brainer, but the early bird gets the worm. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.